What is going on, guys? Welcome back to King Fab and Off-Road. Today we've got Bluey in the shop. We are doing a little different video today. This baby's getting some upgrades. So as some of you may know, these 6.7s have a very problematic turbo. There's an actuator on these that actually stick pretty bad. I'm lucky enough that mine has not done that yet. But it will. I work on them every day, and I'm not willing to have that strand me somewhere. So I've got a small solution to said problem. And that solution is this guy. Now, you guys might be wondering why I go through all the work to put on different turbo. Well, lots of reasons. I won't get into that. I'm not a, what would you say? An opinionist, I guess you would call it, but I do know what works and what doesn't. So this is what I've concocted. I went with a Smeding kit. This is an S464 kit. It is a complete kit from these guys that takes care of swapping the turbos. This is, of course, an emissions friendly system, just in case anyone wanted to know. But I went ahead and I got it all, guys. So let me go over this stuff with you. This kit has a lot of different perks to it, but as an overview, this has a 3-piece Smeding. It is their own manifold that they make. It is a 2nd gen style, regular drop on it. If it's a T4 housing for the S400. This comes with downpipe, intercooler pipes, intake. I added on, I went ahead and got 110-pound springs for this baby. Got some upgraded push rods, thicker wall, intake. This is their install kit, coolant bypass kit. Over here, we went with, these are actually new. We just hooked up with these guys, Gator fasteners. They are promising everything that ARP promises. I personally haven't used them, so I'm actually going out on a limb and gonna start using these in some of our builds, and I'm gonna put them in my personal truck and see how they do. Like many fasteners, everyone has their opinions. Like I said, I'm not gonna give mine top to bottom. ARP has everybody beat, I mean, as far as a brand you can trust. But these guys have a pretty good looking product. They're nicely made. Everything looks good. They send you, a shirt, some lube, everything you need. Just nice packaging. I mean, so I'm kind of excited to install their stuff, see how it does over time. And then over here, I went with some Lincoln Diesel Specialties 45 over 6.7 injectors. These are brand new Bosch bodies. Everything is brand new in these, unlike most brands. So you pay a little bit more for these, but you're going to get what you deserve out of them. So yeah, as a whole, I'm pretty excited just to get this kit swapped over. I'm not doing that in this video, but it is coming up, and thought I'd give everyone a rundown of it. Don't mind the packaging and stuff, but in today's video, we're actually I got a Truxedo bed cover for the truck. It is whatever that model number is. Just a roll up type. I'm getting ready to go down to Florida with the family and wanted to cover everything up in case we buy anything or have anything in the bed while we're gone. So I'm going to put that up and show you guys that. In addition to putting this bed cover on, I'm going to be doing just some general maintenance on Bluey here. We're going to be doing a tire rotation, changing the oil, going over all the fluids and stuff like that. Like I said, we're about to go down to Florida for a family trip, and we're taking this thing. It's gonna hurt a little bit on the fuel, but it's nice to have a little bit of room when you go traveling. So I'm gonna get you guys going on a little bit of a time lapse probably here, and get the bed cover put on, and then we'll do everything else. Okay, I just did this time lapse for you guys, and I don't know, I think the time lapse on this, I'll probably cut it down, but it's like a minute. Probably all together, I got about 5 minutes, 10 minutes in this. It's kind of hard actually to get these guys lined up by yourself and pushed together because these slide into this. But I have it all lined out now with these clamps loose. I'm gonna now get it all situated to where it's square, read the instructions here, and then we'll hopefully get it clamped down tight. Well, this is what it looks like, guys. I mean, you can't beat this for $300 tonneau cover. Truxedo makes good stuff. It went together pretty good. All together just to get this thing square and the way, you know, it looks pretty uniform. It's got a couple ripples in it from packaging, but I mean, quite honestly, it laid out pretty flat. But I took, like I said, about 30 minutes to get this thing square. I could have slapped it on here a little quicker. The ends of these, quite honestly, seem to not go down as far as I would like. So the actual seal on the tailgate's not going to be like the greatest, but it's going to cover everything from immediate rain, and it all installed quite nicely, so I'm pretty happy with it. And of course, got to get our Molly gaskets license plate on the back here. Represent a little bit. Looks good, kind of matches the truck, blue to blue. Next on the list, I'm going to get these nittos up in the air, get them rotated, and then I'm going to drain the oil out of this thing. And that'll conclude the video for today. Just a short, sweet one with the tonneau cover and giving you guys a rundown of the Smeding kit that I got. Put some of that up over there, but anyways, I'm pretty excited about that kit, guys. Get rid of some stuff under here, clean things up, get some power on this thing. It's gonna be a pretty cool video when I get to it, showing you guys getting the truck all fitted with the turbo and stuff. But anyways, if you can't tell, I'm pretty excited about it. I switched gears from my off-road and things to the thing that gets my off-road toys there. I mean, I love diesel stuff. It's what I do by trade, so you'll get both sides on the channel. So stay tuned for when I get that all done on Bluey, and I'll keep you guys in tune with anything else going on. But that'll wrap up this video for today, and as always, thanks for watching, guys.